as of today, our two-time champion of the Grace Jerk Festival. He is a pioneer when it comes to our pre-K children. He's building up Queens, he's building up all 5 boroughs. But I also have to recognize the other champion today, Member of Parliament from Jamaica, Hanna, who won the Grace Jerk Fest this afternoon, taking it away from our mayor. I also want to recognize my colleagues in government, Clyde Vanell, Assemblyman, and our public advocate, Tish James. So in Southeast Queens, our mayor is doing great things. This festival, you come from all over the country, all over New York to come to Southeast Queens, and we welcome you. So without further ado, I want to introduce a man who's been lowering crime in this great city, and he's on his way to re-election, and we support him every which way we can. Our Mayor of New York City, Mayor Bill de Blasio, and First Lady Charlene McCray.
Everyone, let's give a big thank you to Alicia Hyman for all she does to support this community, representing us in Albany. All right, so I have come to the Grace Jerk Festival many, many times, and it is one of the great events every year in this city. I'm humbled this time because I was beaten by a member of the Jamaican Parliament in the cook-off. So let's give it up to Member of Parliament Lisa Hanna for her victory. I'm a good winner. You did good. You did good. But I'll be back next year. I do want to recommend to you the recipe I came up with this time. I call it the Ocho Rios Explosion. You got to cook it at home. It will change your life. But everybody, I just want to say this. In Southeast Queens, as the Assemblywoman said, we are making life better. Pre-K for all our children. After school for our middle school children. Soon we're going to have 3K. We're going to have 3-year-olds who also get free preschool all over this city. These are the things that make life better for families. We're bringing down crime. We're creating more affordable housing, the things that will make life better. And we do that on behalf of communities in all 5 boroughs. We're not just about one borough anymore in New York City, all 5 boroughs. And we remember that Southeast Queens is one of the great communities in New York City. And it's my honor to serve it. And finally, I want you to hear an important announcement from the woman who does great things for this city every day, and I have the honor of being married to for the last 23 wonderful years. My wife, your First Lady, Charlene McCray.
Hello, everyone. This is a family day. This is a happy day. I want you to know that we love you, we care about you, and we want you to know that if you ever have any mental distress, there's a number for you or your loved ones to call. It is 1-888-NYC-WELL. It is free, it's confidential, it's for anyone, and more than 200 languages. So can you please repeat the number after me? It's 1-888-NYC-WELL. I didn't hear anybody. Can we do this again, please? All right. 1-888-NYC-WELL. That's better. That's better. You're not going to get rid of me until I actually hear you, though. One more time. 1-888-NYC-WELL. All right. That's the number to call if you feel any mental distress and you need someone to talk to. They can help you and connect you to the care you need for free. For free. Thank you all. One love.
Everybody, I want you to have a beautiful festival. We've arranged to keep the clouds back there, so we wanted to leave you alone. And now I want you to hear from a dynamic young man representing this community, Assemblyman Clyde Vanell.
Welcome, everybody. Now, we have to say that we have the best mayor in New York City. Not only is he working hard in education, not only is he making sure that he's reducing crime, not only is he investing in Southeast Queens, he's the best cooking mayor in all of the country. All right? Now, keep in mind, you guys should have tasted his jerk pork. It was really, really good. I think he has another career after he's done. He might open up a restaurant, a jerk restaurant, and open it up here in Queens, Mayor. And I'd like to introduce you guys to your fighter in the city, your New York City public advocate, Letitia James.
I come from the Caribbean island of Brooklyn. Listen, I wanted to tell all of you, I know a number of you are troubled and we're concerned about the federal government. We are going to withstand and overcome Donald Trump because we believe in immigration. We recognize that immigrants contribute so much to our city and to our nation. We want to thank the mayor for making this a sanctuary city where all of us are safe, and we will overcome the federal government. Donald Trump will be defeated because of all of you. I'll see you on the Parkway. One love.
And one more, I'd like to introduce you to the Member of Parliament in Jamaica, Lisa Hanna, the 2017 Jerk Champion.
Good afternoon, everybody. It's a pleasure to be here, and it's a pleasure to be among so many Jamaicans. And I know that many of you miss home, but at the same time, when all of us come here, it's like we're at home in New York. And I want to thank you for really keeping the flag of Jamaica flying high. I want to thank you for building this country, because if it wasn't for Samono, this country would not be as great as it is. So big up all Jamaican. Big up every Jamaican. We're working at the snow, and you know, so you want to come home. And this trophy is for all of you, because as much as I love the mayor and I want you to vote for him in November, I couldn't come to New York and make a man beat me at jerk. No go so. So anybody from Senton in the house? Big up Senton! And we're going to have a great concert this evening. One love, everybody, respect, and enjoy yourself.
Tight. Roy Wilkins Park, give it up for MP Lisa Hanna. Give it up for all the dignitaries, all the politicians, and of course the mayor of New York City, Mayor de Blasio. Give it up. Yeah. So that's what we're talking about. Take care of the community, because we're all indeed one family. This is the Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival. Big respect to the sponsors for making it possible. And this, of course, is a collaboration between Grace Foods and VP Records. Always, always support these companies. And of course, they bring the heritage and the culture of us. You understand me? Real Jamaicans, real Caribbeans. So support them the same way they support us. Duh? You agree? Say yes. Okay. All right, so you ready for start the party now? Long time is who over there so say long time? You can't say long time and you sit down in your seat. If you're ready for party, you have to get up out of your seat. You're gonna have to look like you're ready for party. So do a stretch if you need to do a stretch. You understand me? Stretch it out, man. Yes, man. Ready for party now. Ladies and gentlemen, let us get this Caribbean party started right here. Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival. I'm gonna bring on stage right now a young man, very, very talented, from our little island home called Jamaica. He was a 2015 Kings and Queens. You know that competition, Magnum Kings and Queens? You know that competition? He was a finalist in 2015. Put your hands together and welcome to start this Caribbean party, Sean DeVere. Show some love for Sean DeVere. Flags up, hands up. Show your love for Sean DeVere. No, take that.
I mean, it's a blessed day in New York. It's a pleasure to be here. First time in New York. Kick off the rhythm for me, the DJ. I mean, I say big up everybody who believe in them youth. Big up everybody who not lead them youth astray. him a follow bad company. Jerk fest, him a follow bad company. Eh. You're too ways hard, boy. Watch out. Every get a clocks and every get bad. A chain and purse him a grab. Mummy can't afford the earth theme that, so she look to the sky like she's searching for God. Eric start collect for come circle your black. Need money like one time, thirsty for that. Mummy did a pre-theme, be a pilot, but him start bleach, him can't bother with black. Him stop study, can't bother with math scissor. Nanny bag and a pack of whistler. With a new Glock, with a few shot. If you this man him kill you at an instant cause. Bad influence. Bad influence. Some friend are bad influence. Look at Eric get influence. No. Bad influence. Bad influence. Some friend are bad influence. Look at Eric get influence. Him start parring at the wrong crew. Start prove what him can do. Can do. I smoke weed and I gamble when him fit in at the classroom. Your mother spend her last you, just be send you go to last school. You never study agriculture, now you want come farm fool. Boy, bad influence, bad influence. Flick it the next track. I'm gonna say, all of the women that will love them daughter scream. All of the men that will love them daughter scream. For me now go real, bust up, boom, 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 boom. You shouldn't do it. Hard time. Be a rape in a bar, watch out. She starts seeing a moon from early. Pretty but she never grew a girly. No, her father drop out too early. Have cancer and him dead during the surgery. No, her mother start searching at the wrong places for find somebody we're worthy. She thinks to find something very sturdy, but she never knew the brother was perverted. No, mommy don't believe a word where she say. She thinks she lied because she hurting. Well, go take a look behind the curtain. Now your daughter folded up, her belly's hurting. Oh, don't run away.